Hi, I'm Jennifer. Let's review the past tense forms of be. Listen and repeat. Was, were, I was, you were, he was, she was, it was, we were, they were. Do you know the verbs? Help me. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Good. Let's make sentences. Choose the correct verb. It was her birthday yesterday. I was at home yesterday. He was at the beach yesterday. We were at the park yesterday. She was in Paris last month. They were in Rome last year. My grandparents were kind. You were a cute baby. Let's make questions. Example: was it cold? Yes, it was. Next. Was it interesting? Yes, it was. Was she nice? Yes, she was. Was he at work? Yes, he was. Were they at home? Yes, they were. Were you there? Yes, I was. Were we right? Yes, you were. Say the negative forms with me, the past tense forms of be. Was not, were not. Now say the contractions, the short forms. Wasn't, weren't. Good. Let's make negative forms. Listen and repeat. I was at home. No, I was not at home. I wasn't at home. You were at school. No, you were not at school. You weren't at school. He was in class. No, he was not in class. He wasn't in class. She was at the meeting. No, she was not at the meeting. She wasn't at the meeting. It was bad. No, it was not bad. It wasn't bad. We were cold. No, we were not cold. We weren't cold. They were at the beach. No, they were not at the beach. They weren't at the beach. Let's read together. We were at the beach. It was beautiful. It was hot. The water wasn't cold. The water was nice. They were at work. They were at a meeting. They were busy. It was his birthday yesterday. It was a fun party. The food was good. Yesterday was nice. I wasn't at work. I was on the couch all day. My cats were with me. You were a good student in school. You were serious. Do you like to practice English? You're a good student. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Happy studies.